Guess what? Finally, users of TikTok can get to monetize their TikTok accounts through Anchor. With Anchor, the following things can be achieved. Firstly, you learn how to monetize all social media accounts and get paid. You also get to acquire the present-day skills and courses and use them to improve yourself. Thirdly, you can trade any item you sell on TikTok on their website. It's thrilling to know that you can play fun games on Anchor's website. The benefits are unlimited. Hurry now and click on the link on my bio to get started. Don't miss out on this. If you snooze, you lose.
Just like how you guys have heard about all the other creators talking about this Anchor. Anchor is not just a simple website, okay? This is a website that can make you huge amount of money. I'm talking about a website that can make you money that you'll be surprised about. Now, if you don't know what Anchor is a new platform that was launched in Nigeria just to help TikTokers that are not getting paid by TikTok to earn. Okay, this website is going to pay you as a TikToker per 1,000 views. This is how good the website is. And apart from the fact that you can also earn through TikTok, you can also play games and earn money, and you can also participate on a special game called Squid Game. Okay, you win once you participate on that game. That means you've earned 50,000 naira instantly. That's a free money just for winning the game. And aside from that, the other creators making huge figure like 300,000 naira, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, even up to 30 million naira just with the platform. If you want to learn this, I would advise you watch this video to the very end, because I'll be leaving you still on top. I'll be breaking it part by part, piece by piece, so you can understand everything. So once you click on the first link you see in this video description, it's going to take you to this interface like this. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to put in your first name right here, you want to put in your last name, you want to put in your username, then you put in your email address. Once you put in your email address, you put in your phone number as well, then you click on continue. Now on continue, it's going to tell you select country. I want to choose a country. For the sake of this, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to put in Nigeria. And for the password, I can put in anything I want. To confirm password, I can put in anything. Now for the coupon code, this is where a lot of people just talk that. Now for this coupon code, I want you to chart the number you can see on your screen right now. This number is going to give you a coupon code for any package you want to go for, be it silver or pro package. Now if I can see here where it says select package. If I want to go for the silver package, I'll click on the silver package. If I want to go for the pro package, I'm going to click on the pro package as well. You can see how easy it is. Okay, now if you know you haven't, now if you register under me, here's the free bonus I'm giving you guys. If you register under me, instead of paying 8,500 naira for the pro package, you'll be paying just 8,000 naira. Now if you are registering under me on the silver package, instead of paying 6,000 naira, you are paying 5,500 naira. Okay, so once you register under me, aside from the fact that I will reduce money from you, I will also teach you how you can earn massive figure, just like my student you can see on the screen right now. This guy has made a lot of money. You can see lots of proof that I've teach people and they are making lots of money. Now I'm going to teach you guys exactly some of the tips on how you can make money as well on Anchor. Now once you log in, your account here might say 000, my lowest account. Okay, this is my smallest account that I'm earning little commission. Okay, you can see I just have just $12 here, and all time is just $77. It's a little money. Now the first step for you to make money on Anchor is here where it says Anchor Games. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load up. Okay, then click on claim reward. Once you claim reward, it's going to take you to somewhere for you to complete something. It's not hard, to be honest. It's not very hard. You can see, guys, it took me to Instagram. Maybe they want me to follow this page, so I can just click on follow. Once I click on follow, I'm going to go back. I'm going to minimize. Then I'll go to then I go back again. Then I'll refresh. Once you refresh, if you register for the pro package, they're going to add 1,500 naira for you. If you register under the silver package, they are going to add 1,200 naira just for you instantly. Okay, and once you refer under me, you also stand the chance to get if you register under me, stand the chance to get $5 bonus instantly just for registering under me. And again, you also get my mentorship for free. Now, aside from the fact that you can also play Squid Game, there's a feature called TikTok Pay. Once you click on TikTok Pay, you can see here where it says enter name. You put in your TikTok name, then your TikTok link, the link to your TikTok account, then put your full name, and you click on submit. Once you click on submit, your TikTok account and your Anchor account will connect automatically. Okay, it's going to connect automatically, and you'll be making money from it once you get 1,000 views. Okay, you and I know that TikTok don't pay TikTokers that create content in Nigeria. Okay, so what you want to do, this website, you want to make use of it, you want to take advantage of the website. So let me click on my dashboard again. Click on my dashboard, and aside from this TikTok pay, there's something called this sales commission. This place where it says sales commission, I'm going to teach you how you can earn huge amount of money, how you can make sales. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys exactly that if you register under me. Here where it says marketplace, once you click on marketplace, you're gonna see where it says add products. You can add your product here, you can make sales, you can sell your products here. You don't have to pay the owner of this platform before you put in your product here for adverts. You don't need to pay them, it's free adverts. Okay, very free and easy to use. You can see this guy is currently selling a coffee for $30, which is not big. Someone is selling shoes, bag, clothes. You can see all these things. This is just a tip of an iceberg compared to what I will show you once you register under me. What you want to do is you want to chat the number I see on your screen right now. And guys, if you like the way I just taught you guys exactly how you can use Anchor, I want you to give me a like and subscribe to this channel, because I have a good video coming out soon. A video that is eligible to make you at least $1,000 per month at least. Just make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that whenever I drop a new content just like the one you're watching right now, you'll be the first to watch and the first to implement and the first to make money as well. See you guys in my next video. Peace.